Hey friends, and welcome to MyLegacyCloud.com. What we're going to do is talk about a series of blog posts. I'm going to start it today, and it's dealing with the subject of moving. And I want to show how to use the tools that we often talk about as part of My Legacy Cloud, how you can use those tools to organize your move and make it easier. Many of you, I'm sure, like me, are dealing with tons of old photographs, things all over the walls that have photographs, documents, certificates, you name it, we've got it. And we've been in this home now for 20 some years. So there's a lot of things that I didn't even know we had as I'm uncovering them. Things that relate to family legacy, things that bring back memories of our children's childhood, things that bring back memories of our grandchildren. And I don't want to destroy or throw those things out. So I'm trying to save them, scan them. And I want to show you how to use primarily three tools: Mylio, Photomyne, and TurboScan. And I'm using them as I go along, and I want to kind of show you how I'm organizing and doing that. Hopefully give you some helpful tricks and tips. And as I'm actually doing it, you'll see whether or not it works. Okay? So hope you'll join me. Hope you'll follow my blog posts. And today is just kind of saying hello, and that's what we're doing. All right. Thank you. Bye-bye.